YouTube? Hey, I got our next big play on deck. I told you it was coming. It is here. If you guys are ready to make some money, let me know that in the comments below. Class will be in session, so watch this video and follow it to a T. I'm going to change your life with this one, okay? Listen, our next big play is here. I'm going to show you what to buy, where to buy it, the whole nine, and I'm going to chart it out for you. I can't afford you to miss this one. If you got any losses that you need to make back up, this will do it. If you haven't had no losses, but you just need to make money, this will do it. For those of you that want to get towards and close to your goal, 10K, 20K, 50K, 100K, this will do it, okay? I did this for SoFi. I did this for Palantir. I'm going to do it for this particular play. Let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, guys. I got it pulled up. Without further ado, I am a technical expert. I am a sniper, okay? Typically, I am a 2-hour-a-day trader. I can make anywhere from 10 to 30,000 in 15 minutes. If I let the play ride, I can make anywhere from 50,000 to 100K in a matter of hours. I'm about to show you this particular play, ticker symbol LYFT. Everybody go to this, okay? This particular play, I'm showing it to you now because the setup is there. I don't care nothing else about but the technicals. I am a technician. That's why I don't miss. Let's go ahead and look at this. Hit trade options. I don't care what platform you are using. You get to the option chain. Go all the way over for me to 2027, January 15. Now, y'all already know how coach play. None of my plays take this long. But I can't afford to see you guys miss. I'm going to change your life. Some of y'all going to get off the corporate plantation with this. But one thing I love about this one, we hit over 180% on NVIDIA this year. I did the same exact thing. I'm about to do it for you guys then. This is the important part of being early. Everybody going to join the 100K challenge January 1st. But y'all going to already be in and up 100% by January 1st. Look at these prices. Okay, now this play, everybody write $20 target number 1, $30 target number 2. So you're going to change your life just from here to 20. But this play is going to 30. I taught you guys about Uber when it was $20. I told you Uber is going to 100. Uber is now at $90. Follow these teachings to a T, okay? I'm a technician, so you ain't got to worry about if it's going to work out. It's going to work out. I'm not guessing. I'm not gambling. This is technical, okay? So my probability is much higher than everybody else's, okay? Watch this. You got the strike prices of 17. You got the strike price of 15. I need to teach you this. You know I have a system. If you rock with me, we buy an 80 delta. Let's just go through these. Let's click 15. So I can show you the delta. This delta is 71. That's not bad. This delta is 71. That's not bad. Okay. Let's check out the $12 delta, 82. Coach's delta is always 80. This is 82. This is right in line. This is around $7. Okay. You can get this at 15. Let's look at 17 just to teach you guys. 64. That is still good. Do not pick a play that don't have these deltas. This is what you don't do. Do not go way up here. Yes, it's going to 30, but don't choose 35, okay? In this particular case, because it's out so far, you can get away with it. But I'm talking about if you're doing plays that you're not following from me, don't go way. That's called out the money. That's too far. You need to be, look how close. Look at the price in the middle. And look at the two prices above and below. You need to be in the range or deeper down lower. Okay, that's called deep in the money. Or just shoot for 80 or 70 delta and your plays will hit. That's number 1. Okay, so do me a favor. We're going to choose $15 call for this particular play. So everybody hit 15. Okay, watch this. You're going to hit buy. This is a 71 delta. So I already know off top this play going to hit. Off top, it's going to hit. Why? Because the technicals told me it's going to hit. So this play will cost you $540 if you want to change your life, okay? So don't ever think you need a bunch of money to get in. For those of you that need to double your money, you buy 2 contracts. If you want to triple your money, you buy 3 contracts. Coach is going to buy, I always buy 100 minimum or 200. That's just how I trade. You don't got to get 200 like me. You can do this just to test my theory out. But I have shown you SoFi, Palantir, Netflix, Meta. My list is long and strong, and I can keep going. NVIDIA, AMD, Google, Amazon. I do this. So do me a favor, guys. Get this 115.27. Get a 71 delta on this, okay? This is the $15 call, all right? So that is the play. This is where you buy. This is the strike price you choose. This is the stock you choose, okay? I'm giving you everything because I need to see you win, because guess what? I can't wait to turn up. I can't wait to celebrate your success, okay? Now check this out, all right? Here is how Coach No and does this. If you've been with me for any amount of time, this is not new. You've seen me do this time and time again, okay? Okay, guys, now we're about to dive into the charts. We are going to pull up, I have Lyft on a 1 week time frame. I need you guys to see this. This is where we are at. This is where we going. This is $30 right there, okay? That is the target that we are shooting for. Now this can go way higher. You got this target right here you could shoot for, and that's all fine and good, but I want to just show you something that's more realistic and attainable. And once you get a taste, you will see for yourself how this is done, okay? So your job is to be patient. Do you see this black line right there? This is how I gave y'all SoFi. Everybody, when I was teaching you guys about it at $7 and $4, this is where it was at. Now it's at above $20, and this is how you have changed so many lives, okay? So we got the double bottom here. We are trying to break this. Soon as we break resistance, boom, we're going to get a break. This is called bump and run. We're going to bump and then run, okay? And that is how we're going to hit target number 1, which is $30, okay? In short term, you're going to have the target of $20 as well. That's going to make you a lot of money just from 16 to 20, okay? But I want you to be ready and in position, because once this go and once our targets are hit, you are going to have a chance for a monster move, okay? So look, let me clean this up so you can see for yourself, okay? Boom. You are going to break this. You're going to come back and test it. This line going to be here, but then this line going to start coming back around to the upside. So that's going to tell us we're going up. Then you are going to just slow grind your way up, okay? And then that is how you are going to work your way all the way towards this 60 and 65 to 70 level, ultimately, when it's all said and done. I just need you in it till $30 to $20, okay? That's our target. But you get it when it's here. This is where I got you SoFi. Like, Coach, how do you catch this? This is where I got you guys Palantir. This is how it was done. I did it with plenty other plays, okay? And then once you learn this, once the play break out, then you start learning where the other levels at to get what's called a rinse and repeat, because it might not ever come back down this low again once it finally break. So then you have new levels to take you to new heights in these plays, okay? So listen, guys, I just wanted to show you how and why we're going to hit the targets I set before you, okay? And I want you to choose the strike price, choose the stock, choose the expiration date, and make sure your delta is correct so that I can ensure that you get the right return on your investment, okay? Listen, I'm gonna get you up out of here. If you're ready to make some money, if you got at least 3 to 6 months to spare for Coach, please take advantage of this. It's going to change your life. I do this. I couldn't do it without you, though. That's the one difference. I won't leave you out of these big plays. If you feel like you didn't catch Palantir with me at $8, where you're catching Lyft with me Here, Uber is already my place. So I already showed you I did this for Uber when it was $10, and now Uber is $90. And I told you Uber gonna go from 10 to 100. Lyft is gonna go from right here to 20 and 30. Let me know if that's understood, guys. I'm gonna get you up out of here. Listen, if you like this, please share this. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stuff using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.